Rates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include iPod adapter, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, braking assist, ambient lighting, power sunroof. Come see the car for yourself.